You like that, huh? You like cheese? Come on, Joby. Oh! It fell. Did he lose it? He lost it. All right, Joby, one more time. Come on, ready? Ready? Ah, 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 ah.
So we can search far and wide for prey. But how do you... What is going on? You mean besides the cardiovascular research about? For one thing, I used to be...
I know Kate thinks so.
Is he gonna make it? Is he? Oh no. Oh, look at that leg. Oh, look at that leg. Oh my God. Joby. Oh, he's gonna slip once he gets up there. Look at that. Let's see, 16, 17 seconds. Oh, he finally did it. Yay, Joby. Joby? Save it and just blow up in the house.
I'm seeing.
Look at that leg. That right leg is just so funny. Voila, where are you going? I don't know where he went. It's here somewhere.
No, I need cheese.
I got that one.